Hi everybody, my name is John. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, I know I'm in black and white. I just figured today, on this video, since it's real late, why not try something different? It's not a fun video. It's a learning video. It's about stocks and stuff like that. I do them every once in a while. There are some people that are into learning and stuff like that. What I use right now for all my stocks, it's on my phone. I'm using my phone right now, but it's on my phone. I use Robinhood. Robinhood treats cryptocurrency and stocks as stocks. You know what I mean? You don't need this Bitcoin wallet with a bunch of numbers. You don't need none of that, So, but you can't day trade with stocks like on NASDAQ, on S&P 500. You can't day, buy and sell within like an hour or whatever, like 5 times a week, because you become a day trader. And you get flagged because you need $25,000 or more in your bank account in order for you to be a day trader. They made that rule years ago, and I think that was just to stop people like me and you who don't have tons of money from getting in there and taking their crumbs. You know what I mean? They wanted you to have this amount to be a day trader. But since they treat the cryptocurrency, the whole cryptocurrency, as like a stock, and it runs 24/7. It's like, it's still running right now. Right now it's 246. You could day trade with that. You could buy and sell a million times in a minute. If you could do it in a minute, you could day trade with the cryptocurrencies. Like if you buy Bitcoin at 18,000 and ran to 19,000, but you feel it's gonna go back, you sell them all at 19. And then when it goes back to 18, you buy more. You could do all that. Other than that, regular stocks you got to keep until the next day. You know what I mean? So you could day trade kind of in less than a day, but it has to be a day, a different day, But I keep my stocks and stuff like that in crypto. I'm going to give you a little information, and I hope this does help you guys, especially for the holidays. For me, I'll tell you a little bit. I got Tesla still. I sold them the last time. I sold all my stocks. I needed the money, and I still needed it for Christmas this time, but I got a little bit. I got Tesla, which is, I got 0.329224, something like that. And I'm up like $19 last time I checked and 2 cents. You know what I mean? So they're doing pretty good. I got Moderna. I've had Moderna for a while, and I've been preaching about it and telling you guys to get it. I got 1.36 of their stocks, one full one, and 36, like a little more than a third, obviously, of a second stock. And I'm up $68.59. You know what I mean? I bought them when they were real low, and they've been doing nothing but staying up. Even when they do drop, they're still way up from when I bought them. So it's like, it's good because they're giving it out in New York this week, And Pfizer, I got 2.23 stocks, 2 1/4 of another stock, and I'm up 7.78 cents, $7.78, last time I checked. And for Bitcoin, I have 0.0227, and I'm up $5.60. My Ethereum, I got 0.542. I got more than a half. I'm down $7.48. And I'm going to give you a little bit about Ethereum because I swear by it. And this is me, once again, I did it before, but once again, giving a Christmas spirit, trying to help you guys earn a little bit of money. I don't have a lot, and I'm going to earn a little bit from this. All right, Ethereum, this is from Bitcoiners because I pay a little more money on the Robinhood to get other wordings and other knowledge on stuff. This is from Bitcoiners, and it says, Ethereum is beginning to look perfect as sellers show signs of exhaustion, because there's like these dominant people in the bit currency, like cryptocurrency, like the Bitcoin and the Ethereum and all, giants. They got millions and millions involved. And what they do is, like, let's say me, the guy I see on the camera is me, and I'm a different person, but I know me. I know the guy on the camera, because I can see myself filming. And I'm like, you know what? I own like 90 million in Bitcoin. I'm going to sell them all so I can drop the price down dramatically because I'm a whale. I can throw my weight around in that, and it drops the price down to where you could buy it, at least buy one full Bitcoin. I'll get it down to 17.9. You know what I mean? You can invest that, and then I'll invest all my money back into the stock, and it'll go back to the mid-19s. So you quickly gain $2,000 doing absolutely nothing. I might have lost like 200, but you're my friend, and of course they have more money, so they're really telling their friend buy like 9 of them or 10 of them, and you know, they're helping them out. That's what they've been doing, but they don't have as much traction because there's too many people like me and people that are like me that are in it, that these whales could take their money out and try to fuck with the price for a little bit and help other people, but they're not doing as much splash as they used to be able to. They used to have dramatic power. They don't know more as much. And all right, the market wrap. I think I got this from. It says Bitcoin's holding at 18K. I bought it again, I think yesterday or the day before, when it got down to 18, the high 17s, because you know I'm used to seeing it 19. You know, so I had to buy some more. And it will be like 40 grand by the end of 2021. So Bitcoin holding at 18K. Active Ethereum. Something I wrote it sloppy, up 140% in 2020. You know what I mean? And this is Bitcoin's again, this key Ethereum level need to be flipped to support before ETH can rally. You know, like they really need that support. You know, they came out the Ethereum 2.0. They need that support from these giants in order for them to really go up past that 600 mark. You know, really past it. Like they're saying 800 is coming real soon, and you know, I can't wait. And but I got more. Grayscale, this is what I've been talking about prior. Grayscale Ethereum Trust announces 9-for-1 stock split. So if you have 1 Ethereum, you now have 9. Stock split. Grayscale investment announced on Wednesday that shares of its Grayscale Ethereum Trust will split 9-for-1, a move that will increase liquidity and proceed affordability of these shares to people like me, people like you. You know, it would get more people that might not have been able to be involved or didn't see that they should buy a piece of Ethereum. It's only 600, but if it's a ninth of a scale, it'll be like in the 50s or 60s or 70. You know, they can buy full ones, because I'm telling you, the price is going to go right back up. You know what I mean? But it helps low people buy it and get into that train, and they're going to sell it when it goes back up even a little bit, and then they're going to leave it for the beasts to soak that stuff up too. And I will too if I can. Effective date is December 17th. That's any shareholder as of December 14th will receive 8 additional Ethernet shares for each one held, with each being 9% of the value. You know, that's obvious. I dealt with that with Tesla and with Apple when they did that, you know, but Tesla stocks went right back, you know. So the goal is always to let them go down and split, and more people will buy them, and their value will raise up again. So now, instead of having 100 things that they can get 9 grand off of, they have 1,000 things that they can get down. You know, like they got more liquidity, more people buying that stuff, because more people want it. The price will go back up, and that'll give them more money, the company, because they have more stocks of that same amount of money in the future. You know, Ethernet, a vehicle for investors to gain exposure to Ether, a native currency of the Ethereum blockchain. Currency has 29.5 million shares outstanding, with each share representing ownership of 0.09284,789. When the split takes effect, there will be 265.5 million Ethernet shares, with each representing 0.01031643 of an Ether token or whatever, a ninth of its value. You know, companies do this to boost more shares in circulation, thus liquidity. And I went over that already. You know, like if I only have 100 shares and, you know, I got 50 of them, but I mean like 51, and there's 49 out there and people already bought them. It's like, you know what, like I want more money because my company, I feel is worth it. So I'm going to make everybody who has the 1 share, now they have 9. The price will drop to 40, you know, to 1/9 of the price. So a couple people will sell off their extra, you know, and stick with their main core, maybe a few extra, and it'll leave more in the open. And the price, their plan, the price will go back up. It will go back up. And it will take a little bit, but it'll go back up, down and up, down and up. You know how it goes. And they'll have more money, that means. Instead of having just 49 stocks out there, they have 490 stocks out there that they're hoping will boost boost up their amount of money that they have. And I agreed with this company. I'm with them full-fledged. By splitting price, when it splits, it leaves room for a whole new group of people to invest in. You know, that's what I was just saying to you guys. It leaves a whole new people because, you know, I looked at it like this when I didn't know nothing. Bitcoin was it. If you didn't have a Bitcoin, that was it. You know, there was no point of having anything else. But I did a lot of research, and Ethereum is like, you know how I'm sending an email through a laptop to you. John, am sending a laptop, using a laptop to send an email to you. The email is Bitcoin. The laptop is like Ethereum. Ethereum has a program that the cryptocurrencies have to use or whatever to make it all work. You know, to make it all work. So like, they are very important. They're the second highest thing. And if they're Bitcoin is like 18,400. It's like their average right now. Ethereum, it's like right below 600 for whole one. So, you know, I have like a little like more than half or something like that. So I should have 4.5 full ones when they do the split. You know, you are on the phone, so I don't know what day today is yet, you know, but it's at night anyway, so it's like close. And when I does split, I will make another movie. But my thing is, if it's not the 14th, I've been saying this from the start, trying to help my friends out. I'm not a stockbroker, and I'm not, you know, I shouldn't be one to preach because I don't know only of what I taught myself by studying. You know, there's plenty of people know more than me. I'm not saying they don't, but there's these little things I do learn about, and that can help you. Because I knew about Tesla splitting when they did the split. I knew about the Apple split like prior. And I got in on that. And I made money. Not a lot, because I didn't have a lot invested. But I made money. And if anybody was listening to me with the Ethereum, and if it's not the 14th yet, which I think it is, they can get it. But just get it. And it's going to split to 9. You know, all right, if you don't have $600 or 5 something to buy one, buy half. For 200 something bucks, whatever. And then you'll have 4.5 full ones. And if you really need the money, sell half of them to recoup your money, you know, and keep the other half and let them bounce back to their normal price or what they're normally at. You will have a nice jump for a little bit of money. If you spend 200, 300 bucks, you'll be able to profit possibly 500, 600 bucks. You know what I mean? Like, it's able to help you guys profit with low amounts of money because I don't have a lot to put in. You know, I'm friends with some people. I won't use their name. They know I'm talking about you. You know, I know you got 50 grand. You know, I know that. You're able to day trade. I know that. And the other guy talked about stocks. What's up? Starts with a B. You know, I'm talking about you. I'm talking about my man from like life, from birth. Starts with him. He's got money, you know, and he knows a lot about stocks. He knew about this probably once before I even knew about it. And I knew about it right away. But I'm helping people out at my level, you know what I mean, to try to earn a little bit of money because times are hard right now. It's Christmas time, you know what I mean? And I just showed my kid, my safe is like empty. Everything with the Christmas shopping, and I'm waiting for the stimulus packages to get passed, and I'll do one of those. But I wanted to make sure I did one on a stock, and I only kept you for 13 minutes. And I hope you guys listen to that. I think I invested only certain, like maybe 1,000, and like I have like 1,200 in there now, like my stocks, I keep reinvesting instead of taking out what I profit. They reinvest back into the stock. So, all right. I hope I showed somebody something. I hope somebody does like these videos. Give a thumbs up if you do. If so, I know you like them. If there's a small pocket of you of like 5 people that like these videos, I'll make them just for you. You know what I mean? Like maybe I'll tell you, look, they'll be every Thursday at this time, and I'll make them just for you 5 people. You know what I mean? So hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys have a good day, and I hope you guys will make money. All right. Thank you. Bye.